Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying out this wig that I got from SHEIN. Okay, so this is the box that the wig came in, and inside the box you have the wig. Of course, there is a pair of lashes which I'll never ever use because it's too full and long for me. Okay. There is this edge brush. You can never have so many of these edge brushes. They always come in very handy. There is also a wig cap, actually two wig caps. Okay, and lastly you have these instruction leaflets about the wig, how to care for the wig, how to wear the wig, and all of that. Okay, now back to the wig. This is a kinky curly hair. I got it in 22 inches as you can see, and it's a 150% density. Okay, you guys, as soon as I opened this wig, the first thing I said was wow, like wow, because it felt really soft. Okay, and I could run my fingers through it without feeling any tangles. All right. So the lace is 6 by 4 inches and it comes pre-cut. Okay, the wig also has this adjustable elastic band so that you can secure the wig to your hair and wear it glueless. Okay, it has 3 combs, one on both sides of the head and one other comb at the back. It has this C-cut shape around the ears, which I really liked because it makes the wig to just sit perfectly on my head. Now looking at the lace, you can see that it's not really the perfect match for my skin tone, so I think I have to work on the lace a little bit just so that it will blend perfectly with my scalp. Okay, all right, so I went ahead and wore the wig on my head just so I can see what it looks like straight out of the box. Okay, and as you can see, there is so much excess lace in front which I'll have to cut off. So I went ahead and added some foundation to the lace just so that I can blend a bit more with my skin tone. Okay, the link and details of this hair will be in the description box below. You can check it out if you like it. Alright, so it's time to work on the wig, and I'll be using this Ebin Wonder spray to melt the lace. Okay, I also noticed a little bit of shedding when I finger combed it. Okay, nothing so serious, just a little shedding here and there. Okay. I wanted the front parting to be a little bit flatter, so I applied some of this wax stick on it. Then I went in with my hot comb and just combed it out a little bit. Okay. Now for the curls, I used some of this detangling spray. I also used some water and leave-in conditioner to spray it down. I just wanted to wet the hair a little bit before combing it. Again, I noticed a little shedding, okay, nothing so serious. So I went ahead and brushed out the curls just a little bit. I didn't brush it out completely because I still wanted to retain some curls, okay? So after brushing out the curls, I applied some styling mousse just to define the curls again, okay? And then I went ahead and removed the hairband and I did some finishing touches on the hair, and this is the final look, guys. I absolutely love this wig from SHEIN. This has to be my best hair that I've ever purchased from SHEIN, okay? It's very lightweight, it's very easy to wear, and it's very beginner friendly, okay? You can actually wear this wig completely glueless, okay? But I didn't wear it glueless, okay? So this is a closer look of the hairline, and this is the back length of the hair. Don't you just love it? Don't you? I know you like it. I know you like it, okay? I'm not sure why I did that edges because I ended up not liking it, but then I just used the hair to cover it. I love this wig, okay? I think I'll give this wig 9/10 just because of the little shedding that I experienced. Apart from that, I think I really love every other thing about the wig. I love how light it is. I love how full it is, even though it's just 150% density, okay? Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section, and be sure to check out the link in the description box for all the details, okay? Because I highly recommend, okay? Thank me later. In fact, thank me now, not later. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Like I said, the link and details to this lovely wig will be in the description box, okay? So you can check it out if you like what you see and if you like to purchase one for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.